Uploading a video on YouTube isn't just hitting the publish. Yes, in 2025, there are key steps you need to follow to get views and reach the right audience. Let me show you how. Hi, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to upload your video with proper title, thumbnail, tags, and settings that boost visibility in 2025. Yes, 25. Let's dive in. Step 1. Upload from YouTube Studio. Step upload your video from YouTube Studio. Don't upload from YouTube app. Do this. Log into your YouTube Studio and click on create. Then you select upload video. You click on upload video, you select your video. That's it. How to upload your video. Step 2. Write a clickable title. How do I do this? When you get to your title, your title should include a keywords. Your title should include a keywords and trigger curiosity. Your title should include a keywords and trigger curiosity. For example, let me give you for example, 10 YouTube videos for beginners. And you said not just video. Like anybody would like to click. Who is this person talking about? What's this? Not just video and this what? If it's not just video and then what? Step 3. Add description with SEO. Add description with SEO. Add short summary plus keywords in your description. Add short summary plus keywords in your description. Very important. Also include links to your video. Also add your video on other social media. Share them on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And a summary, short summary of what people are coming to see, of what your audience are expecting. Your description will send a quick message on what I'm coming to watch, what your audience is coming to watch. It will give them a quick notice, a quick understand that, oh, this is what I will be expecting on this video. I need it. Let me watch it. Then upload a custom thumbnail. Step 4. Upload a custom thumbnail. Click on upload thumbnail. Choose a high quality image that matches your title. Yes, very important. Understand? Then step 5. Use tags plus select a playlist. Always add tags. You see there, you go to tags, you add enough tags. Add like 5 here. You always go to your tags when you're uploading. You see it, add enough tags, as much as you can add that is relating to that your particular content. Use relevant tags that helps YouTube categorize your content. It will help them categorize it fast. So that helps the algorithm to categorize your content. Add it to your playlist. Always add video to your playlist. I used to add mine to up to 3 playlists. I have more than 8 I have created. So up to 3 playlists. This video now is going to YouTube tips for beginners, you see. So you know where to add the playlist to add, so that you will not be making a mistake, and your content, your videos will be organized. Playlist help you to be organized. So when the algorithm comes, the algorithm will know how to categorize and how to push your videos. But it helps the algorithm to push your videos. Yes. Step 6. Step 6, choose the right audience. Choosing the right audience. Am I the one that's supposed to choose my audience? So this is what I used to ask till I understand how to do it. Go to your YouTube studio again. You do this. When you upload, you see it's meant for kids, not meant. Is this video meant for kids or not meant for kids? You select. If it's meant for kids, select meant for kids. If it's not meant for kids, you select this video is not meant for kids. You select this video is not meant for kids. It will help YouTube to push it. Subtitle, add subtitle. Subtitle is very important. Why is it important? Some people can need to watch your video, they want to watch your video, they open YouTube, they see your video, they're interested, but the place they are is noise, they cannot watch with volume, they want to watch and read. You didn't add subtitle, the person might not watch the video again, the video will just go like that. But if you add subtitle, people in noisy places can watch it. People that don't like listening, people that don't like listening to what you're saying, but they want to watch it and read, they will still understand. Even in the offices, I have been there before, they don't allow earpiece. So but when the person wants to watch you and there is subtitle, it will be more easier for the person to just put the phone behind and be watching it with your subtitle explaining what you said. Yes, that is it. You add language, still understand what you are driving at. So subtitle is very important, and choosing the right audience is very important. Feasibility, schedule or publish. Step 7 is feasibility, schedule or publish. So choose to publish immediately or schedule for a specific time or day. Did you understand that? So in this one, you schedule it to publish, you schedule it to a specific time or day when you know your audience are active. So I said it, I always schedule for next day. If I'm posting today, that video will drop the next day. Even if I'm posting 10 today, I know that I'm scheduling it the days I used to post. Like sometimes I drop one a week, I drop two a week. So it depends. I drop video once a week or twice in a week, but mostly my plan is twice a week. But because of some things might happen, then I drop once, but my video must drop every week. That is me, my video must drop every week. Maybe some people drop every day. So did you see? Very simple to upload the right way in 2025. It's very simple and easy. Just focus, concentrate, know what you're doing, know what you want, know how to set it. It's very easy and simple. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe and comment video upload below. So subscribe, watch 10 YouTube ideas for beginners, then watch beat the YouTube algorithm in 2025. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I love you. I appreciate you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.